our department and my team. Firstly, I will present. I will go through the department mission, function, and my responsibility. Then my colleagues will present their work to you and their responsibility. Please keep in mind that we have three small departments under accounting, property, and IT service. We will present in up hierarchy order, which means the top management, the higher level management will be present first. Our mission, our department mission is to provide the fiscal, like financial advice to the top management, and budget direction as well as administrative support to the company facilities and also controlling and manage the company properties. Our main functions is focus on budget oversight, financial analysis, and follow up with every financial transaction occur in the company and control oversight company property. And my responsibilities is oversighting or supervise accountant, property manager, and IT service manager. Help them with their work and motivate them. Ensuring timely submission of monthly account, which is submitted to me by the accounting manager every month, and I will organize and sign the paper to approve them. Checking property records submitted by the property manager. Every month, property manager will prepare a report and give it to me for approval. And ensuring up-to-date technology practice, we make sure that we use use up-to-date technology to record our data, such as MYOB accounting software. And next, my colleagues will present themselves to you. We begin with the accounting manager.
Good morning, my name is Ngọc. I work as official accountant in the Finance and Administration Department. My role is mainly to deal with the assessment of business operations in terms of preparing and evaluating the financial statement and balance sheet in the company. Additionally, my role is also specialized in conducting tax reports, including tax audit, tax returns, and other requirements to meet the legal standards. In order to earn the profit, my duty is also project the future revenues and expenses and maintain the periodic report, aiming to compare the actual result to the budget. Hence, the accountability and the trustworthiness are the main important values that the accountant must take due to the accountant techniques, tax involvement, and bookkeeping functions. In general, the accountant takes the responsibility of the company's management and the stakeholders, thus requires the business ethics.
Okay, hi everyone, I'm Zhang and I'm property manager. So you guys may have heard about this position before, but I think that not many of you understand exactly what property managers do. So right now I'm gonna talk about this in detail. Well, property manager is a third party who is hired to handle the daily operation of real estate investment, and I can manage all type of properties. More details, I'm responsible for the rent, like setting the initial rent level and collecting rent from the tenants as well as adjust the rent. Moreover, I can manage the tenant, like I involved in the finding tenants and dealing with the complaint to start the eviction. One more point is I'm responsible for the physical management of properties, including regular maintenance and emergency repair. And one more point is of course property managers must have a knowledge about the national law in order to screen the tenants as well as handle the security deposits. Finally, I have a duty on managing the law and the budget. The budget and the taxes. Like I can assist the property owner with the understanding how to file the taxes for the investment properties. Now, IT service manager will continue.
Good morning. My name is Ngọc and I'm working as a IT services manager. Basically, I'm required to build, design, and upgrade the computer systems within the organization, and to design a closed virtual space for the interactive communication with the external stakeholders. Moreover, I am required to anticipate and be prepared for any problems that may arise and cause damages to the systems, and then immediately plan, design, and implement suitable solutions to those issues. Additionally, I am in charge of mediating, supporting, and motivating the whole team so that they can effectively collaborate. To sum up, my position is expecting to firstly obtain the technical skills. In other words, I have to update my knowledge about the technological advance. Secondly, I have to ensure the accuracy of the information, the reliability, and the security of the communication. And finally, I have to prevent the information distortion or leakage. Next is the IT support manager.
Hello everyone, my name is Tom and I'm the IT support manager of the Star Finance Department. For this position, I'm mainly responsible for the coordination of all technical and information system within the department. More detail, I'm in just a couple of tasks. First, I will direct staff regarding the usage of all technical things, and particularly I will determine necessary technical advance and educated employee on the use of all software and hardware within the operation day to day. And moreover, I will make sure to provide appropriate support to all IT process, media service, and service management to all resources. Thirdly, I will support the technical expertise in various related IT process, IT issues. To do that, I'm going to collaborate with the application support and IT team, controlling on contrast in the assistant with the production team, and then I will recommend the improvement for the management. And finally, by monitoring and controlling all technical issues of the small and large size projects, I will make sure to maintain the effective schedule for all projects within the required budgets. And next, my colleagues will continue.
Okay. Good morning. My name is Hannah, and I am network service manager, and I manage the delivery of network service and to agree service level, and I manage the internal staff and external contractor supplier within the network service and to support their skill development. And my main responsibilities is to ensure that the successful planning and implementation of network development project to time scale, cost, quality requirement. And I am responsible for installing and maintaining the company computer. And if any problem occurs, I will give the recovery plan in order to minimize the disruption. And then based on the organization policy and procedure, I will give the investment resourcing plan in order to give the budget and expenditure. Thirdly, is make sure the consistent delivery and operation of high quality networking solution, and based on all the activity, I will give the performance evaluation, then give feedback and improvement in order to achieve better performance. So let's discover the final part.
So, good morning everyone. My name is Tam, and my duty as a payroll officer is to calculate the company salary and make sure that every member working in the organization receive their paycheck on time. but the salary of the employee is delivered to them by either payroll check or the direct deposit to the employee bank account made by the company. But I often, for my job, I often work together with HR department to collect employee personal contact information and their work-related data such as their working hours, wage level, bonuses, or deduction, benefit, etc. And I also keep track of their vacation time, personal leave, and sick days. This kind of information helps me to able to calculate the the salary money correctly and deliver to the rightful owner. To me, the hardest thing about working as a payroll officer is to calculate the employee taxes. There's so many kind of taxes need to put in consideration. Personal income tax, unemployment, Medicare, social security taxes are very complicated since the law and regulation is ever changing. So it's my job to keep the information up to date. A payroll officer is not only required to have extensive knowledge about mathematical, but also that person must be detail-oriented, so since it's concerned about individual financial income. So this is the end of our presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. If you have any questions, please.